Hello, everyone, and welcome to our podcast. I'm Ada, and today we have a great topic that many of you will find useful.
Hi, I'm Jake. We're excited to talk about travel experiences and dream destinations. Traveling opens up so many opportunities to learn and grow.
That's right. Whether you travel for fun or work, knowing how to talk about your trips is important. It helps you connect with others and share stories.
Let's start with some key vocabulary words. For example, destination means the place you want to visit. Another word is itinerary, which is your travel plan or schedule.
Also, the word souvenir is something you buy to remember your trip. And adventure means an exciting experience, often a little risky or unusual.
For example, if you visit a new city, your itinerary may include famous landmarks, museums, and local restaurants to try. That makes your trip more fun and organized.
Exactly, Jake. When I traveled to Japan, I planned my itinerary carefully so I could see temples, try local food, and buy souvenirs to bring back home.
Now let's look at some common phrases. You might say, I'm planning a trip when you start preparing, or I had an amazing adventure when telling about your experience.
Another useful phrase is, I visited several countries, which tells people the places you went. It's important to speak clearly so your story is easy to follow.
And don't forget, you can describe your dream destination by saying, I would love to explore the beaches in Greece, or I dream of hiking in the mountains of Peru. These phrases make conversations exciting.
Let's talk about common challenges learners face. Sometimes people mix up sightseeing and sightseeing tour. Sightseeing means visiting places, while a tour often has a guide explaining things.
Another mistake is confusing reservation with ticket. A reservation is booking a hotel or restaurant, while a ticket is for transport or events. Being clear helps you avoid problems.
A helpful tip is to use body language when telling your stories. Showing excitement with your hands or smiling helps your listeners feel your experience better.
Also, tone of voice is important. Using a curious or happy tone when talking about your trip makes your story more engaging and real.
Let's practice a common phrasal verb for travel. Check in. It means to register at a hotel or airport. For example, we checked in at the hotel early in the morning.
When you don't understand something, ask for clarification. You can say, could you repeat that? Or what does that mean? This helps keep the conversation clear.
Now, some interesting idioms related to travel. Hit the road means to start a journey, and off the beaten path describes places that are less known or popular.
Pronunciation is key too. Pay attention to intonation when saying words like souvenir or itinerary, so others understand you clearly. Practicing helps a lot.
Building your vocabulary with travel words is fun. Try to learn new words every week and use them in your daily conversations to remember them better.
To sum up, talking about travel is a great way to practice English. Use keywords, phrases, and be confident when sharing your stories with friends or colleagues.
Remember to listen carefully to others' travel stories too. This helps improve your understanding and gives you new ideas for your own trips and conversations.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing and don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. Safe travels and see you next time.